What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a really super quick look at Quant. We are doing 8 videos today, but they're all going to be very short and sweet because we do have a very busy day ahead. So we're just taking a really quick look at Quant here, and as we can see, it's still consolidating, basically forming, potentially something like this. Coiling up potentially for a nice little move. It does look very bullish indeed. I mean, if you look at basically how bullish this chart is looking, it's absolutely insane. And we do have that. We did get corrected in our previous video. We did actually say something that wasn't actually factually correct. We said in our previous video that the 2.1.1 update for Quant was actually live, but it's actually the 2.1.0 upgrade and the 2.1.1 upgrade, which is the one where institutions have to lock in their Quant to essentially use the smart contract platform. That is actually coming by the end of September. So thanks for the person that told us that. We did actually make a mistake there, so that is the actual correct information. And as you can see, this chart is looking extremely bullish. Obviously, we're in a channel going to the upside, looking very bullish, but we actually broke out of it, consolidated, and now we've just ripped to the upside, basically forming, you could say there's another little trend, maybe something like this, where we're forming, an extremely bullish chart by the looks of things. And, if we do continue to coil like this, and this is basically a little, potentially something like this, where we've got a little bit of a bull flag, which does look very, it's looking very possible right now, isn't it? And we've obviously, you measure from the top to the bottom. We put this on the end of our bull flag here, and we've probably got a price target for Quant coming into the $600 area. Looking very bullish indeed, we would say. And, you can see by this chart that Quant is holding its value extremely well. I mean, it's not even had a retracement from this pump yet. It's obviously had a bit of a retracement here and formed a little bit of a range. But you can see we've essentially done something like this, where, we formed a little bit of a range, we broke out of it, we back tested it, and now we're rolling over and we're currently chopping it up in and around that previous level of resistance here. Flipped into support, and I mean, if we do flip this into support and start running up again, there's no reason to suggest that we couldn't be looking to the upside. So basically that's what's been going on. Anyone who looks at this chart will probably tell you that it's looking very bullish, and we would totally agree, especially with all the fundamental news coming out for Quant. We do think this is going to be easily over $1,000 by the end of the bull run, which is, a 2.5x from the current price, probably more like $1,500, $2,000, looking very bullish indeed. So short-term price predictions then, if we do roll over, we've got the 20 moving average here, coming in at around, what is this, $323. And then we've also got, potentially this trend line here, coming in at the bottom-ish of this range as well, which could be, it's coming in at around $285 to $300, very strong psychological support as well. And if we do start pumping up back towards that $430 level, we could be looking at some extensions here to $450, maybe $500 psychological targets. But if that bull flag plays out, we could be looking more like $600. So Quant looking very bullish. And as we stated, we do strongly think that this Quant is going to be a really top quality project, probably most likely going over $1,000, probably more like $1,500, $2,000, considering how limited the supply is getting. And the demand for Quant is just rising exponentially. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalist.